If brackets loving naming scheme had you convinced that the next smartphone the company would come out with would be the Nothing Phone 2, well, maybe not. A new rumor today claims that before a successor, the Nothing Phone 1 will get a Lite version sibling. This would basically be exactly the same device as the Nothing Phone 1, only with a plain glass back, no fancy LED light, and no wireless charging. Despite still supporting 33-watt charging, the Lite model would ship with a 42-watt charger in the box according to the same source. For what it's worth, Nothing has denied the existence of such a product, and yet the rumors persist, saying that the Lite Nothing will be cheaper than the Phone 1, which makes sense considering the two removed features. There are reportedly some indications that the new phone will start at $316 or €308 and 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. For reference, the current Nothing Phone 1 starts at $417 or €407, but it comes with a 8 GB of RAM. A few other sources have been mentioned that this handset would sport a bigger 5000 mAh battery, the thicker cell presumably filling up the space taken by the LEDs, and the wireless charging coil in the original Nothing Phone 1. As none of this information is confirmed in any way yet, do take it with a pinch of salt. What do you think though? It is a good idea for Nothing to drop the fancy LEDs on the back and the exclusive wireless charging feature and focus on thus making a more affordable device? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.